Last month, one of my students sent me a message. He said, "Teacher, I know English words. I know grammar. But when I try to write something, my mind becomes empty. I don't know how to start. I don't know what to write." He had an important exam coming, but his writing skills were weak. So I gave him a simple plan, a plan anyone can follow. And guess what? After 2 weeks, he wrote a full page without stopping. After 1 month, he scored the highest marks in his class writing test. Today, I'm going to share the same writing method with you. So if you want to write better English, simple, clear, and correct, stay with me till the end. Let's begin. Step 1. Read before you write. Good writers are first good readers. Before writing anything, read something small every day. It can be a short story, a small article, a simple English post, a children's book. Reading gives you ideas, sentence patterns, and good vocabulary. Your brain learns how writing looks and feels. Step 2. Think in small lines, not big paragraphs. Many beginners try to write long paragraphs from day one. This is hard. Start with one small line. For example, "My day was good. I like learning English. I want to travel one day." Small lines build your confidence, and confidence is the first step to good writing. Step 3. Use the 3-sentence formula. This formula is very easy. Use it every time you write. 1. Topic sentence. What are you writing about? Example, "My favorite hobby is cooking." 2. Detail sentence. Explain your idea. Example, "I enjoy cooking because it makes me feel relaxed." 3. Example sentence. Give one example. Example, "On weekends, I try new recipes for my family." This formula makes your writing clear and organized. Step 4. Learn phrases, not fancy words. You don't need big words to write good English. You need useful phrases. For example, "In my opinion, the main reason is," on the other hand. For example, these phrases help your writing flow smoothly. Even simple English can look professional if your sentences are connected well. Step 5. Write for 5 minutes every day. Set a timer. Write for just 5 minutes. Don't stop. Don't edit. Don't worry about mistakes. Just write whatever comes to your mind. This is called free writing. It helps your brain become comfortable with English writing. Ali followed this step every night, and in 1 week, he wrote double the amount he could write before. Step 6. Check your writing, but only after you finish. When you finish writing, read your lines again. Check 3 things. 1. Are the sentences simple? 2. Are the ideas clear? 3. Are there any basic spelling mistakes? You don't need to fix everything. Just fix the small mistakes. Small corrections lead to big improvement. Step 7. Rewrite 1 paragraph a week. Choose any paragraph you wrote. Rewrite it again. Make it cleaner. Make it simpler. Add 1 example. This teaches you how to improve your own writing, the most powerful skill for any writer. After 1 month of following these steps, Ali sent me one more message. This time he wrote, "Teacher, writing is easy now. I can express my ideas clearly. Thank you." And I told him what I will tell you today. You don't become a good writer in 1 day. You become a good writer by writing every day. Small practice, big progress. So friends, remember these simple steps. 1. Read daily. 2. Write in small lines. 3. Use the 3-sentence formula. 4. Learn useful phrases. 5. Practice 5 minutes daily. 6. Check your writing. 7. Rewrite once a week. If you follow these steps for 30 days, your writing will improve more than you can imagine. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.